Hey everyone, my name's Will, and you're watching Gizmo's Quick Tips. Don't forget to check out our channel for more tech help. Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are going to teach you how to pair and set up your iPhone as an Apple TV remote, and also how to use your iPhone as an Apple TV remote. So, to pair the Apple TV to your iPhone with our Apple TV remote you get with the Apple TV, you're going to need to go to your settings. And then you're going to need to go to Remotes and Devices. And then go down to Remote App and Devices. This is how it will pair. So as you can see, we have a list of all these things that have been paired to the Apple TV. And right there it says to pair a device, hold it close to the Apple TV. So for the purposes of this video, we already paired our iPhone with the Apple TV. But just a quick tutorial on how to do that. What you'll need to do is you'll hold the iPhone close to the TV, then a notification will pop up on your iPhone that says Apple TV, pair. All you have to do is click that pair button. A code will pop up on your Apple TV, and you'll type it in on your iPhone, and then the devices will be paired, and you can now use your iPhone as an Apple TV remote. So, once you have paired your iPhone with your Apple TV, in order to access the remote on your phone, you're going to need to go on your phone and flick up to enter your control center. Once you've entered your control center, you're going to click the iPhone app or the Apple TV remote app on the bottom right or wherever you've put it at in your widgets. And if you guys don't know how to add this, you can view our other videos on how we talk about adding widgets to your control center. So you're going to click on your Apple TV remote, and it'll say, see how it says choose a TV up there? Well, now it's already paired to our Apple TV here, but if it doesn't pair for you automatically, you can click that and your Apple TV should pop up. So now, we'll focus over here on the TV. If I click the menu button, see it's going back to the main menu. And if I use this remote here, oh, let me get rid of that for you. We're gonna go down, click cancel on that, and so you can go down, up. Let's say I wanted to use the Siri function on our Apple TV. All I have to do on here is hold this microphone button down, and then Siri pops up. And that's how you can use to search stuff. Also, you can hit play and pause in the bottom left here, or if you want to search something, you click this little magnifying glass in the bottom right, and then your library comes up and it gives you an option to type up something and search it. And that's how you use your iPhone as an Apple TV remote. Hope you all enjoyed that quick tech tip. Don't forget to like the video below and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips. Be sure to post any tech questions you have in the comments below. Also, check us out at www.neighborhoodnerds.com or on our Facebook and Twitter in the description. See you guys next time.